Welcome to the July premiere. Let's take a look at the latest updates in ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. First will be the user transitions in workflow. User transitions in workflow help enforce a controlled and guided movement between statuses. You can configure up to 10 transitions per status output connector, each defined with user scope rules, mandatory conditions, and action rules for precise execution. For cases that require both automated and manual transitions, dual flows can be configured. Status change will occur through whichever path gets executed first, and the other one will be skipped. And based on this, all actions are logged within the workflow execution history. Manual transitions requires users to have appropriate permissions, and all status changes can be done within the details page of their respective modules. To enforce strict adherence to workflow paths, you can now enable guided path under workflows. This allows status change to only those defined within the workflows, and users will now see guided prompts for each step. Next, we'll look into the Zia AI enhancements. Zia AI brings in a unified interface of both predictive and generative AI capabilities. Navigating to Zia's artificial intelligence, now you'll see two tabs for both GenAI and predictive AI features. All features will be displayed as a card with the ability to enable or disable the toggle. Zia now supports Zoho's own language model as an AI provider. Now, you'll have the ability to use a feature with the AI provider of your choice. Conversational summary and request auto approvals has been moved to the GenAI tab. For existing users, request auto approval will be disabled by default, and you can enable it with the AI provider of your choice. Next, we have the Zia dashboard. Zia dashboard brings in a centralized widget-based display of how Zia-powered features are being used across your help desk. This includes predictive AI, Gen AI, sentiment analysis, solution assist, and Zia chatbot. Next, we have the service category enhancements. Now, service category supports a hierarchical structure with up to 5 child categories. When you open up a service category, now you'll be able to view its child categories, associated incident templates, and linked service templates. So when you access a service category, you would be able to also move its template across different service categories. Now, making use of the Customize Catalog option, you can rearrange the service categories and its templates up to your need. Thank you for watching, and let's catch up in the next video.
Hi everyone, in today's video, I am excited to show you the latest features in ServiceDesk Plus on-premises. Let's start with our first feature, Microsoft Entra ID User Sync. ServiceDesk Plus now offers seamless user sync with Microsoft Entra ID, formerly known as Azure AD. With this powerful integration, it is now possible to import users directly from Microsoft Entra ID into the application. Not only that, any changes to the user information like new hires or contact updates, it will get automatically reflected in ServiceDesk Plus. For even greater control, it is now possible to schedule user imports based on specific criteria. For larger organizations or MSPs, it is now possible to import users from multiple tenants. To enhance your security and improve the user lifecycle management, it provides automatic user deletion in ServiceDesk when users are removed in Entra ID. Next, we have the Zia Parser, your intelligent email assistant. No more creating tickets manually or updating fields. Zia Parser will intelligently analyze the incoming emails in ServiceDesk. You just have to include a simple configured phrase in the subject of your email and description, and it will automatically perform those actions for you. Need to change the priority of a ticket? Just email it. Need to add a resolution or add a new task to the ticket? Send an email. You can even assign technicians or close ticket without even leaving the inbox. Next, we are introducing work log templates for ServiceDesk Plus. Administrators can now add customized templates for work logs, transforming how technicians add their efforts. Imagine having predefined templates for your common work activities. Instead of starting from scratch, technicians can now simply pick a template and all the key fields will be automatically populated. These templates are available in different modules like request, problem changes, etc. And it's not just about the basic fields. You can even include radio buttons, multi-select fields, and even URLs to capture the essential details from the work logs for reporting and analysis. Work log templates mean less time logging and more time resolving. Thank you all for watching this video. See you in the next one. Cheers.